English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1, goods, leisure, publish. Goods. Goods is a noun, plural. B1 learners usually know goods. There are many meanings of goods. Here at B1, they are things that are bought and sold. Here are some examples. She bought the goods in Japan. He will deliver the goods as soon as you want them. The department store sells all kinds of things: furniture, garden equipment, and even canned goods. Leisure. Leisure is a noun. B1 learners usually know leisure. Leisure is the time a person has with nothing to do and can relax. Here are some examples. Most people enjoy their leisure. He finished his work and then spent the rest of the day at leisure. She does not need to work. She's a lady of leisure. Publish. Publish is a verb. B1 learners usually know publish. To publish is to prepare a book, journal or magazine and make it available for people to read. Here are some examples. She always wanted to publish a book. The company publishes practical reference books, among others. Last year, the magazine paid £5 for every letter that it published. Now write some of your own sentences with goods, leisure, and publish. Download the free B1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.